Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI fitness short video. So if you want to start your YouTube channel like Faceless AI YouTube channel, so this video for you. So if you are first time watching my channel, so just visit my YouTube channel and you will find a playlist section, a complete free tutorials I've already uploaded. So it's completely AI automation faceless YouTube channel. Okay, this is the playlist guys, AI faceless YouTube automation full course, 6 videos over here, and the many new videos will be uploaded in this playlist. Okay guys, so if you are a student and maybe you are thinking to creating a side hustle, or if you're a housewife or business owner and starting your side hustle business, so this video for you. So in this video I will show you part by part where you can find the video topic idea and where you can create the script and how you can create the AI short video, and finally how you can upload into your YouTube channel. So it would be a complete beginner step-by-step tutorials. Okay, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, so let's get started. So the tools I'm going to use, it's called short.ai. So using short.ai you can create faceless video, also you can generate captions, and also you can do schedule. So why you should try short AI? Because it's a bulk generate AI short video and no editing required. So if you have a zero skills in editing, so don't worry at all, and you don't need to fancy camera or a mobile phone or other stuff like computer or different gadget. Okay, so you can create and just upload, that's it. So you can generate AI story video, edit story effects, text, dialogue video. Okay, so scroll down and you will find the different sample over here. It's a AI video, so let's check it out. Okay, and it's a Reddit story video, fake story video, and the dialogue video. So and also you can add subtitles like this. You can see the Mr. Beats video, and the subtitle style would be like this, and 99% space to text accuracy, 32 languages over there, and 40 plus dynamic captions. Perfect. And also you can schedule your post, so you don't have to hire any social media manager, you don't have to spend any single money, you will be your boss, that's it. So let's create the video first. First of all, just sign in with your Gmail account and go to your dashboard. So I have already an account and I'm just going to show you directly into the dashboard how you can create the video. So into the interface you will find the faceless video AI tools, and you will find the popular templates. Also you can create AI short story video. Here you can see the left sidebar, you will find the AI story video. So let's click on AI story video, and you have to find and select the background style. That's mean what kind of style do you want. Here you can see it's a watercolor, and you can see picture, sci-fi art, and here you can see the Disney style. So I am going to use Disney style. Click on Disney style and click on next, and in this section you will find the templates where it will show a by default template, so you can use and you can generate. So it's a philosophy, urban legend, motivational video if you want to create, if you want to create fun facts. Okay, so different style over here. And maybe you notice that there is no fitness video over here. So how we can generate fitness video? So click on custom prompt and let's select the language. So you will find the 32 plus language over here. So you can select Italian, you can select French, Italian, Hindi, Portuguese. Okay, also you can select definitely in English, and also select your script length should be 90 to 120 seconds. You can keep as it is 60 to 90, 30 to 60. And in this section it's very important, describe your video concept to AI. So you don't have to hire someone who can do a script. Also you don't have to ChatGPT expert or DeepSeek expert. So in this tool it will help you to generate the script. That's amazing. So I'm just going to write here, so fitness. All right, so I'm just writing here top 5 fitness tips for beginners. Okay, so I want to generate the script, so let's click on generate the script, and within a second you will find this AI tool will give you the complete script. Here you can see it's almost there, and the character is 1504 characters over here. So you will find all the script over here, so you don't worry about the script writing skills. Okay, it's very easy. So it's time to go to the next step. So click on next, and in this section you have to find the template, that's mean the subtitle. So you will find the bunch of subtitle over here, and maybe you will love one. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and in this section you have to find the audio. So you will find different tone, different accent, and British, American, Asian, Indian. Okay, also you can find male, female, and different ages. Okay, so it's really important to select a adult tone. So I'm just searching here Tony, and you will find a Tonia, young American female with a cute voice, subtitle for entertainment and TV. So let's select this, and it's time to generate the video. That's all. So click on generate video. Alright guys, so our video is generating right now. So you can create another one. Also you can back to home. Also you can see your project, and within a minute you will find your video. So I will show you the final results guys, so don't worry at all. 1 minute 22 seconds video. So let's play the video over here.
Diving into a fitness journey for the first time can feel overwhelmingly intimidating, almost like stepping into uncharted waters. But with the right tips, it can become exciting and rewarding. Here are 5 essential fitness tips to help beginners thrive. First, set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on achievable milestones. Celebrate small wins, like completing a week of workouts or increasing your endurance. Next, find an activity you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, biking, or yoga, choosing something you love makes it easier to stick with your routine. Remember, fitness doesn't have to be boring. Mix it up to keep things fresh. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Many beginners push too hard, leading to burnout or injury. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts a week. Gradually increase your intensity as you become more comfortable and find your rhythm.
Alright guys, so this is the final video. Okay, so if you want to download, pretty simple, just click on download. It's a single click and your video will be downloaded into your device. Okay, so you can see it's downloading over here. So let's go back to home page, and if you want to create more, so you can create. So visit their pricing section, and it's pretty small amount, just $19 per month. You can create 40 faceless. $30 per month you can create 90 faceless, and 60 per month you can create 180 faceless. So it's perfect for starting as a faceless AI automation YouTube channel. Okay, so as a student you can start with 19 or 30, and if you want to hire someone freelancer, so you can hire me. Like, just check the video description, you will find my link, and you can hire me, and I will create for you, and I will be your virtual assistant. I will help you to create the AI videos, and finally I will deliver to you. Okay guys, so it's time to upload into our YouTube channel, but it's not finishing yet. 1 minute left. Okay, so once it done, I will show you how we can upload a short video. Okay, alright guys, so let's upload the video. So click on create button and click on upload video, and this is my YouTube channel, Raihan Rifat. This is not a fitness YouTube channel, but this is a tutorial, that's why I'm just showing you the process. Okay, so my suggestion is you have to create a YouTube channel that's all about the fitness, that's mean fitness niche. So let's select the file. Alright guys, and this is the title. So you can rewrite this. Also you can use ChatGPT to creating a viral title. This is how you can add tags over here. So you scroll down, we have some settings over here. That's mean it's a altered content, that's mean it's a AI generated content. Make sure it's yes, and also make sure it's not for kids. Perfect, that's it. And let's copy the title again and scroll down, and you will find the tags over here. Okay, so let's paste the title over here into the text sections. Okay, and you can add different tags over here. So you can use vidIQ, and also you can use TubeBuddy. Okay, it will help you to generate the more tags. Okay, so let's paste the title over here, click on next, and you can also add different related videos. So definitely you must have to different other fitness video. So there is no fitness video in my channel at all. Just I am going to add 50 AI short video, $75 limited. This is the offer I sent over here. Okay, so click on next and then click on next. There is no copyright issue found, you can see, and you can make it, so you can make it public right now. And I'm just unlisted right now because I don't want to publish right now, I will publish later. So click on save. So this is how you can generate AI fitness video, and this is how you can upload into your YouTube channel. Also this video you can upload into your TikTok, your Facebook, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest, and using this kind of video you can make money. So in the next video I will show you how we can make money. Okay, so stay tuned. So if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back very soon with new tutorials on the part 2. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.